Yes. What's up, guys? It's me, Frostal Kalen, your best and your most appropriate dancehall news reporter. Mhm. And today I have a certain news from Guyana. So, Vibes Cartel's song called Good Like Jesus might be facing a possible ban in Guyana for allegedly mhm, interfering with Christian beliefs, according to Guyana's ERC, a commission that deals with the music contents and copyright. Mhm. So, what will this ban mean to Vibes Cartel? He will lose a little bit. He will lose a little bit because most of his fans are also from Guyana. Meanwhile, subscribe.